Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today for you I have the motivation to clean your bathroom. My bathroom is usually the cleanest place in the house, but I've been slacking lately because I've been making a lot of videos this week. So today I had to deep clean it. So come along with me, get some inspiration, and let's get to work. Is anyone else in the same boat as me when it comes to cleaning everything? I feel like the kids never pick up after themselves. I can't say I put too much pressure on them because I view like cleaning the house as my job, but since they are so little still, but maybe one day we'll get to where they pick up more after themselves. So this week everything had just kind of been left behind because we were like rushing around and doing other things. So I definitely had to start with decluttering. These shells are, my daughter went to Florida and she brought me back some shells. She's so cute. So here what I'm using to clean is just my vinegar and Blue Dawn dish soap cleaner. I pretty much use that for like everything all around the house. It's just kind of my go-to. I know a lot of people aren't as crazy about cleaning the toilet as this, but every time that I do a deep cleaning on the bathroom, I definitely hit this toilet hard and I make sure I wipe everything down and around because let's face it, I have a husband, he lives here too, and we all know that men are disgusting. So I just be sure to sanitize everything, especially with the cold and flu season coming. I just like to know that it's clean. My favorite cleaner for all the glass in the house is the Method glass cleaner. It's definitely like the best thing because it doesn't streak. I've never really been a fan of washing mirrors and windows because I just hated dealing with the streaking, but this product doesn't streak. It doesn't matter which way you wipe it off. It's just awesome. It's also really great for the kids to help you do that job because I feel like it's kind of tedious and they can do a good job with that. So with the no streaking, it would be really good. Our bathroom is definitely pretty plain. I can't wait to decorate it. We have pink walls and like beige tiles, so if anybody has any suggestions that they think would look good in here, I've taken so long to decide on how to decorate the bathroom because I don't really know which way to go with the color of shower curtain and rug that I'd like to purchase. So let me know in the comment below if you have any suggestions, or if you follow me on IG and you have something in mind, maybe you could send me a direct link to something. I'd appreciate that because I just want something cute, but I just don't know the direction to go. I also have this little spot in my bathtub there from my shower head hanging when I give the girls a bath. I'm gonna get a magic eraser and see if that might help fix that. I think it will, but if not, if you have a suggestion on that as well, leave it down below. It's just marking on like the white tub material. And here's the finished product. We all know there's nothing better than having a finished, fresh room, so I'm glad to just walk out of here with the candle going, and it's good to know that everything is sanitized. So I will see you guys in the next one. Please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.